Hi, my name is Laurie Field, and I'm a real estate advisor with Engel and Volker's Chicago North Shore. I've been to 3 final walkthroughs in the past week, and I was thinking it could be helpful to share how I conduct a final walkthrough with the buyers I represent. In case you're new to real estate, the importance of a final walkthrough is to ensure that the home you're buying is in the same condition it was in when you agreed to buy it. The basic items to check during a final walkthrough include 1. Making sure all the items included in the sale of the property remain with the property, including light fixtures, appliances, and window treatments. 2. Verifying that all repairs agreed upon after the inspection have been completed, and that the seller has left behind warranties and receipts for the work, so that if there's an issue, you can follow up with the person or the company who completed that work. 3. Check the electrical items in the house, including light switches and outlets. I often suggest bringing along a phone charger to test the outlets. Also, you want to make sure that the garage door and doorbells function properly. 4. Carefully inspect the bathrooms. Test the toilets to make sure they flush properly and aren't left running. Turn on all faucets and shower heads and verify they have hot water, they don't spray, and they don't leak when turned off. All the sinks and tubs should drain properly also. And check for mold, water damage, and standing water in the sinks, the showers, and around the base of the toilets. 5. The kitchen has a lot to examine, so I usually suggest starting with checking the appliances. I make sure that the oven heats up without smelling like gas. All the burners on the cooktop also turn on and don't smell like gas. And check to make sure that the dishwasher runs. I test the microwave, make sure the refrigerator's cold, the freezer's colder, and the ice maker in the freezer is making ice. Then I check the faucets, the garbage disposal, and look under the kitchen sink to make sure that there's no standing water underneath it or around the dishwasher. 6. In the laundry room, turn the washer and dryer on and off. If there's a utility sink, fill it and make sure it drains properly. 7. Depending on the temperature outside, turn on the heat or air conditioning. 8. You also want to make sure that keys, garage door openers, and appliance manuals, if the seller held on to any, have been left behind for you. 9. Tour the outside of the property and make sure the landscaping and hardscape haven't been altered. Also, check to make sure that gates close and lock, and if there's an irrigation system, that it runs as it should. I hope this information has been helpful. Please follow me for more helpful buyer and seller tips. Thanks for watching.